this video, I'll show you how to create a MyGov account on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download MyGov on your mobile device, either from the Play Store or App Store. Once you've done that, click into it, and then you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. And now to sign in, click on sign in, but this video is about how to create a MyGov account. So go to mygov.au, and now you'll be brought to this page. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on create account, scroll down, click on continue with email, or if you've got a digital identity, continue with the digital identity. So for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with email. Terms of use, check those and click on to next. Enter an email, and then once you've entered in an email, they will send you a security code that you need to proceed to the next step. All right, the email address has been added in. I'm going to click on next, and now I need to get that code that's been sent to my email address. I'll go ahead and do that now. Pause the video and get back to this demonstration. All right, here's my 6-digit code. I'm going to copy this. Now I'm going to paste that code in here. Click on to next. MyGov will send you a one-time use code for each time you sign into your account. So put in your phone number here, and then once you're done, you'll get a code to re-enter in that code and follow the next couple of steps, and then you have signed up to MyGov.